Welcome everybody to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and attention coach, Jeff Copper. Today I'm here to talk about prioritization, to-dos, tasks, etc. In some previous videos, I've been trying to kind of help people begin to understand or make better observations about priorities and what they are and the process. And very simply, define a priority as assigning a value to it. It's really nothing more. Executing a priority is a different story. You need certain elements to come together. You have to be a place that's conducive, enough time, enough resources, and you got to have clarity. I often find that people are sitting down to do a task and they're doing other tasks. The big denominator in this is they're lacking some clarity. Anyway, big shout out to JJ, because on one of my videos, and forgive me, I don't remember which one, he made the notion of a prep task and a to-do task. And it was interesting to me because it's really interesting, because if you think about it, maybe the prep task should be getting some clarity on what I should do. Like if I'm going to write a paper as a student, or I got to get some type of an idea. So you have the prep task to prepare to actually do the task. I thought it was really kind of brilliant, his insight on that. And it's a good way of breaking things down, because again, the fundamental is all too often people sit down to do a task and they're missing something they need to do a task. Often it's clarity. Whereas if you have a prep task to gain the clarity or get that stuff together, or to recognize what you need to pull together, I can see how that can really help you move past procrastination, or actually executing some of the things you have priority. So with that, I hope many of you have found value in that prep task and to-do tasks. Just a insight and thought. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. We release a tip or insight or something each week. Also, for our viewers, please leave a thought or comment. What do you think of this? Is it plausible? And also, if you agree, a little shout out to JJ for the idea. Also, if you're so motivated, we do this to help you. We certainly like donations if you're open to something like that, to support our channel by clicking on the thanks button. So anyway, with that, we hope you've enjoyed this edition of Attention Talk Video. Take care.